Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok on iPhone app, fast access step by step clearly. To log into TikTok on your iPhone app, first, find the TikTok icon on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. If this is your first time using TikTok, you will see a welcome screen. On the welcome screen, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the login page. Now, you will see various options to log in. You can choose to sign in using your phone number, email, or social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Select your preferred login method. If you choose to log in with a phone number or email, enter your details in the provided fields. Then, tap the Send Code button, if applicable. A verification code will be sent to your phone number or email. Check your messages and input the code in the app. After entering the code, tap Login to access your account. If you opted for social media login, follow the prompts on the screen to authorize TikTok. Once logged in, you will be taken to your TikTok feed. Now you can start exploring and creating content. Make sure to keep your login details secure for easy access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new string. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.